Hello, today we're going to work on Wildlife 3rd grade worksheet lesson 3. So we're going to start with the write the number in order from greatest to least. So for number 1, we're going to compare the numbers since all the numbers have 4 digits, we're going to compare the first number. So it's 7, 5, 3, but since 7 is greater than 5 and 3, we're going to put 78, 37 first. Then since 5 is greater than 3, we're going to put 51, 26, then 35, 41. And for number 2, since the first and second digits are the same for all the numbers, we're going to compare the third digit. So since 9 is greater than 2 and 5, we're going to put 27, 93 first, then 27, 56, because 5 is greater than 2, and then 27, 28. And for number 3, we're gonna compare the first number, so 3, 2, and 9. But since 9 is greater than 3 and 2, we're gonna put 90,050 first. And then we're gonna put 32,603 since 3 is greater than 2. And for number 4, the same thing, but we're gonna compare the first number. But since this is 4 digits, this is going to be automatically the least number because it's not 5 digits. So we're going to put 22,600 first because that's 2 is greater than 1. And then 17,655. And then the least number we already knew is 9,860. And for the second section, we're going to compare the numbers and write the less than, greater than, or equal to sign for each blank. So for number 1, since 631 is greater than 629 by 2, we're going to put 629 is less than 631. And for number 2, we have 5,712 and 5,412. But we know that 7 here and 4 here, and 5 is 7, so which means that 5,712 is greater than 5,412. So we put greater than. And for number 4, we have 749 and 800. But since it's 7 and 8, we know that 800 is greater than 749. So we're going to put 749 is less than 800. And for number 5, it's 81 and 81. But 81 is same as 81. So we're going to put equal sign here. And for third section, we're going to round the number to the nearest 10. It's like when number is less than 5, but let's say with 15. We put it as 20 because it's closer to 20, like 15 or higher. But when it's like less than 15 then it's gonna be 10. So for number 1, it's 16, but we know that it's greater than 15, so we're gonna put it as 20. Number 2, it's 34, but so 34 is less than 35, but it's greater than 30. So we're gonna put it as 30 because it's closer to 30 than it is to 40. And for number 4, it's 73. But same thing again, it's less than 75, but it's closer to 70, so we're gonna round up to 70. And for number 7, it's only 5, but the rule applies the same, so it's 5, so it's middle number, but we always consider it as 10 usually, because it's like if it's same or higher than 5, then we just put it as 10. And for word problems, number 1, Sarah has 46 marbles. She wants to know approximately how many marbles she has if she rounds number to the nearest 10. marbles does Sarah have when rounded to nearest 10? So Sarah has 46 marbles, but she wants rounded to 10. So since 46 is greater than 45, this means that it's closer to 50 than it is to 40. So we're going to round up to 50. And Emily has 57 candies and Jake has 62 candies. Who has more candies? Use the symbols greater than, less than, or equal to, compare their amounts. So Emily has 57 and Jake has 62. But since 6 is greater than 5, and you know that 62 is just greater than 57 in general, we're going to put 57 is less than 62. And Jake has more. 4 friends collected seashells. Ava collected 43, Ben collected 58, Chloe collected 36, and David collected 49. Arrange the numbers from the greatest to least amount of seashells. So we know that Ava collected 43 here, and 58, and Chloe's 36, and David's 49. So we have 43, 58, 36, and 49. But now we're going to compare, but the number of digits are same for each of them. So we're going to start with 36 because 3 is less than 4 and 5. Then 43 because 3 is less than 9. Then 49 because 4 is less than 5. And we put 58. Oh wait, sorry, it's greatest to least. So it should be 58, 49, 43, and 36. Number 4, team scored 83 points in the game. What is the score rounded to nearest 10? So since 83 is less than 85, that means it's closer to 80 than it is to 90. So we're going to round up to 80. And that's it.